everybody and welcome to Jack the Gamer. Today we are playing some more Roblox High School 2 and today I'm on a new account. Like I said, because I'm not going to be doing this tutorial. I look so stupid now, but that's my real avatar. So let's go to avatar, edit avatar. Let's see what I can get. So pants. Oh, guys, if you want a police outfit, I'm just going to get the codes for you. So, what you do is, you go into here, you type it in. So the shirt for this police officer thing, it's 2, 5, yep, 955, 2, 1, 0, 1, 4. Then it will appear. As you can see, you might have a little circle around this. Ready? Then you click onto it again. This is for the pants. 1, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 3, 0, 0, 4. And then you'll have the pants. That's basically it. And then I don't know what the hat is. You'll have to check. I'll have to check it out on the next episode. Let's see what pants we can get. Oh, shirts. Let's see. What shall we have? I think this kind of style. Wait, no. What you want to do, guys, is oh jeez. You want to save this thing. So let's just type it in. There we go. Oh, it's bad weather. And then you want to go into this. Do outfit. Police. Let's get that wrong. Jack. I'm gonna call myself Jack because it's short for my name. And yeah, you want to save that. So then now I can. Oh, this looks like a nice hat. Let's get this hair rid off. No one likes that hair. And some people do. But I'm not going to have that. This looks kind of cool. I'm going to change this into... Oh no, not that. I need that. And then I would like some pants. So what pants can we have? Do you think that looks good? Let's change the face. So like a, you know, some kind of face, probably like that. I think I'll go with that. Now with the hair. Oh, this is what you can do with the, also with the police thing. You type in, no, don't type in anything. You just might have to find it. Yeah, this. There we go. But that looks weird of this, but with your thing, it won't. It's like some nice hair, but like that. So, that's that. Right, now you can score it. I don't care. Don't care. Yes, thank you. Yep. Oh. So here's this fella. Okay, so I usually have like stuff here. Let's see it in. Let's move this camera a bit. Can you guys see? Yeah. Right. I usually have like stuff here, but now I've already got a skateboard. We need a car, but I've got like a bad car. So yeah, let's just wait until the shooting stars come. Yeah, you can do stuff. Principal is my friend. I can go in there anytime. Oh, it's a pretty cool thing. Oh, look at that. Jack the Gamer Whitey. That's my username. That's in capitals. Oh, Jacob, who's that? I wonder if I can still do my tricks. You can try, okay. Yeah, you can do jobs. Anyway, so that's the code for the police outfit. If you watch part 2, so this is part 1, you can see where you can get the helmet. And then, yeah, make sure you write it down on a piece of paper before you don't know. I've got a really bad cold. Oh. So yeah, let's go and shop, shall we? Yeah. 500. Hoverboard. Nice. Have no gems. Like I said, I was trying to get to the limit, but I thought, let's just start. No, and I think I should be a bit taller, don't you? Because I'm a bit small. Oh yes, here we go. Yeah. No, it's a bit too small. That's normal. Some things might be cut off for you, so like kind of like this, or like sort of stuff like here. I'm trying to sort it out. It's probably how your things work. Anyway, I know in the last video when I was talking about the guy, could see why. I don't think he likes me anymore. He keeps going mates and all that. I'm like, please can you just stop? We was just doing a little roleplay. I don't know what's wrong with him. I think he's just took it a bit too far. So hopefully you understand that. So yeah, let's go and check out our house. New house. Paint new house. Oh, great. Okay. Let's see our house, shall we? Tipsy. Oh, we can't have even. Oh, next. Next. There we go. Right, we don't need scoring house options. No, we don't need that. This is our beautiful house. Let's go. Let's get out of here. It's probably been boring for you guys, but yeah. Yeah, so like and subscribe, turn the notifications on, and you won't miss the next videos. So bad not trying to get up these goddamn trees. There we go. Yeah. Reach for the stars. I'm not doing copyrighted because I'm not saying it on. Probably am. Don't know. I don't know the lyrics. I can't and spell. Don't look at this. Don't. Mountain and every mountain top sorry. I'm probably getting copyright. But yeah. What's she doing? Is that really how he's... Oh. Lagging. I'll sit. I'm gonna go back up. Sit up, sit up, sit up. She looks like a YouTuber. But yeah, this morning thing, I have no friends on this because, like I said, people start to get a bit jealous. Who likes jealous people? No one knows. He's probably not jealous, he's probably just like a bit confused. But other people has been jealous. There are plenty of stuff in the game that you can buy. Open the shop menu to check it out. Nice, nice. Ooh, I'm just messing with the camera because I'm a bit bored. Probably end the video here. Wait, the shooting stars gonna come. They're gonna come in 2 minutes. It's probably like it's been 11 minutes in, and yeah, and you're probably like really bored. Probably already wanting to click onto this video for the code, so there's no point me really doing anything. I don't think so. Anyway, like and subscribe, turn notifications on. Yeah. That's all I need you to do for me. Right, let's go in the park. So lucky. Skateboard. Hi, Jacob. Oh, Jacob. That's how you spell it, isn't it? Jacob. Hiya. Yeah. So yeah. Nothing. I was just saying it for my vid. I was just saying it for my vid. Don't know who my issue. 13 minutes in. Probably end the video in a minute because you probably are really bored. So you just gonna jump like that. Oh, shooting stars. Let's see what I get. Oh, come on. I don't think you can see it now, but I can. I am literally crossing my fingers. What am I gonna get? I almost got a classic car. That'd be pretty good. I probably might keep this furniture for the house. Or probably, yeah. Oh. Come on. Anyway, that's about what I've got time for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Wait, hold on.